Hey guys, welcome back to Craftiverse Kids. Today, I'm unboxing my bead spinner. This is my first ever one and I'm super excited about it. So all I'm really gonna do is just try to make a bracelet. Okay, so first we gotta get our scissors, cut this open. There we go. Oh, I'm excited. So now that we got this, we put this right there. We unbox it now. Another box. Are you kidding me? Whoa. So it comes with the needles for your beads to go on. Comes with beads. Comes with seed beads. And of course, it comes with the bead spinner. Wow, I'm so excited. So there's instructions, and we're just about to start reading it, putting it together, and yeah. Okay, so set that to the side. This is the Indivshow handmade is simple and fun. Okay, so we are going to use, we're going to use one of these trays and put them in. And we're going to open the clay beads. We'll just use theirs. So we're just gonna dump those in. I'm so excited. This is my first ever time. So now that that's open, we'll put this right there. Open the needle and start beading. Okay, this needle is so tedious to get on. Got the needle. I want to get my string. Put that back right there. Put this right here. Through the little thread thing. Okay, so now I've watched a bunch of videos and it made a mess. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let's take some of these out because we just seen it splash everywhere. And we don't want to clean up these mess anymore. Okay, so I really wanted a bead spinner because I kept seeing videos on people making bead spinners, using bead spinners and how effective it is. So I'm like, Dad, Mom, I really want a bead spinner. They're like, okay, we gotta do chores to do it. So did chores, got my bead spinner. Another mess. Okay, so now that we got that spinning, I want to just barely have that. It made a mess, a huge one. Craftiverse Kids. Oh, I love it. Craftiverse Kids. Okay, so this is actually really hard. Harder than I expected. So I open this, I take this tray out, put it right there, put this one, and then we're gonna try the seed beads they gave us. So we're gonna cut this open. Actually, there's just like peel apart. Okay, so now that this is open, we're going a little seed beads in there. For those, and we are about to get spinning, and yeah, so we tried the clay beads, didn't work out as well. We are about to try the seed. It worked. Wow, that's surprising. It got a lot in that little bit of time. So fun. If it'll go on the string. Oh no. the street, go on the street, go on the street. Okay, so this is a wooden bead spinner, and it's like awesome so far. And it's really, really fun working with it because like you just get into trying it out and you don't know what's gonna come out of it. So like I expected it to be a bunch, but that takes obviously gonna take practice. So I think there's 2 different needles for different types. Yeah, this one's for seed beads because it's thin. Uh-oh. Okay. Number 1, first mistake. Learn from your mistakes. Okay, so now we gotta take out the seed bead needle and retry. Instead of using a thick 0.8 string, I'm going to use thinner fishing rods because I think the seed beads will go on better. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah. Okay. So these seed beads are going on way better. Oh wow. Wow, that's a lot more in a shorter amount of time. My string went away. No. I gotta put those back in. Okay, so I gotta get my string again and thread it through this little like wire thing like this. Okay, so I got that, and I need to put these seed beads onto the string. Okay. So now that we've got that, we're putting it on the string and it's working. So now we're just gonna spin this again. Okay, so now that I got a decent amount of seed beads, I'm going to thread it through the wire onto my fishing line string. And yeah, so right now it's being a little difficult, and so yeah. Now that we're threading this is a really, really fun, messy but fun experience to have a bead spinner and to actually get to like bead spin. Yeah. I am almost done. After this is going to be the last time I'm going to spin it. And if I don't get a bracelet, I'm going to make another video and show y'all me actually getting it this time. Okay, so last time. Here we go. Please be better than the last time. Hey, did pretty good. Practice makes perfect, so gotta continue practicing and it'll get way better. Okay, so like I said, this was the last one. yeah, I really enjoyed making or using my bead spinner. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye, Craftiverse kids. Have an awesome day.